See this program? It's the greatest. It's Blender, and it's the hip hop in its best program around, because you can do stuff. Look at the extrude. Oh, oh my! This program. It's look at this Maya. It's $1,915 a year. That's 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 $5.25 a day. Dang, 3ds Max, same thing. Moto, that's better, but like it's what KHE, that's free, but like, it's not Blender. Blender's the best. Blender is safest. You always spawn in with your default cube, and it's amazing. Oh my god, Blender Master Race, better than every modeling software, especially Maya. I love Blender. Blender's the best.